Okay, wow. See all this stuff in here? It's like, how on earth did this stuff come? Here's a little mosquito or gnat. No, it's a mosquito, I think. Look, see all this stuff? Now, I guess some of it could fly up in there and crawl in, getting up there somehow, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this and wait until the painters get all done before I reattach that. Okay? Be careful with these things. This probably costs a pretty penny at the store. Okay? And before I put those back up, on a different video like I was telling you, I'm going to take these bulbs down. I'm going to take the ballast cover off, that middle cover, and I'll show you how to do that. And I'll show you how I'm going to tighten that up to the ceiling. Okay? I'm not quite sure yet how I'm going to do that. I may have to find the ceiling joist, figure out, okay, do the ceiling joists go this way? Or does the ceiling joist go this way? You know? I don't know that yet, do I? And that, you see how floppy that is? They might have just taken a couple screws and just rammed them up there, and maybe they're not even holding anything. Or there should be one hole where maybe they had one light fixture or one rough electrical location up in the ceiling. They got it attached to that. We'll see. I'm going to be kind of curious what's going on up there, because sometimes these they'll put a junction box up there, or maybe they'll just run a piece of Romex out of the ceiling, and then they come into the back side of this wherever they decide, and then they attach it that way. But that'll be on a different video. I may even have to put some plastic screw anchors up there, put some screws up there to get that supported better, because it was pretty floppy. It's probably not going to fall down. I'm hoping it's not going to fall down. But look at that, how floppy it is. And I don't know how they did it, so I might as well check it out. And when I do, I'll let you in on it, because they're mounting screws. Maybe the mounting screws are loose. Maybe that thing's ready to fall down. Who knows? Okay, check me out later on that. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.